Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Thato Sibiya has joined French Ligue 1 side Lille. In a statement that the club released, it says, South African prospect Thato Sibiya, loan to LOSC Lille. Today, LOSC Lille announced the signing of young and promising South African defender Thato Sibiya, who's 20 years old, from Mamelodi Sundowns. He joins the club on a one-year loan with an option to buy and will initially be part of the reserve team. Born June 23, 2006, Thato Majoro Sibiya is a fast and powerful left back with great potential. After starting his career at Panorama FC in Johannesburg, Thato was fully developed at Mamelodi Sundowns FC, one of Africa's most popular and successful clubs. It was in the yellow and blue colors of the Pretoria-based club where the former Lille player Lebo Mothiba also plays that Thato made his professional debut. The South African under-17 and under-20 international notably played and won the CAF Champions League last season. Lille is delighted to be able to support the development of Thato Sibiya. We welcome him and wish him the best of luck settling into the reserve team. That's the statement from the French Ligue 1 outfit Lille. And Thato Sibiya also had this to say when he was being interviewed by the club. He says, "I'm very grateful to have had this opportunity to join LOSC. I'm proud and happy to sign for this great club and very excited and eager to start working. I am a dynamic and fast defender. I am determined to develop here and integrate as quickly as possible, starting by adapting to the French life and its football. Before coming, I spoke with Lebo Mothiba, who was also my teammate at Mamelodi Sundowns. I told him I had the opportunity to come here. He told me not to hesitate and to go for it. He was very excited for me and spoke very positively about the club and the city." That's the statement that Lille announced Thato Sibiya with on their website. I'm not surprised when Lebo Mothiba told Thato Sibiya to join Lille because he also joined Lille as a young player, and after graduating from their youth academy, he played for Lille B, which is the reserve side which Thato Sibiya is going to, and also the senior side between 2015 and 2018. So definitely it is a great place for him to develop. And remember, Lille is a great team to develop players. They have a great track record of producing some of the best players, the likes of Nicolas Pepe, Victor Osimhen, Lenny Yoro, Angel Gomez, Mike Maignan, and Eden Hazard, just to name a few. So definitely Thato Sibiya is going to a place that knows how to develop players. So we wish him all the best in the next chapter of his career. That's the end of the news for now. See you next time.